All right. Here we are. Let's call this Long Stick Productions. I don't know how well this is going to turn out, but camera's on the end of this well, long stick. I'm going to walk out to the mailbox, see what's in the mailbox today. Now let's get an aerial view here. There we go. This is fun for the feeble-minded here. Still raining some. I don't have the remote control hooked up, so I have to keep this video running. Anyway. One of these trees is probably going to fall on this garage someday, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'll turn this off now.